Hey guys, today I'm going to be cooking for you a delicious American-style Chinese dish. It's broccoli and beef stir fry. Completely plant-based, of course, everything we make is vegan, but you're not going to be able to tell with this dish. It's delicious. And the first thing is to add a little bit of oil to a hot wok, and then a touch of sunflower oil just to help with the cooking process. Garlic, ginger, and spring onions in the pan. We're cooking quickly because we don't want to burn any of this. We want to make sure it's all going to taste as delicious as possible. Next up, we have a vegan beef. That's right. This one is a vegan meat alternative. It's going to taste good. We're going to hit it with all of that flavor, but definitely recommend trying a few different brands out to find one that you like the flavor of. And if you're in a pinch, you could absolutely use mushrooms here or vegan sausage instead of this vegan beef. Stir that around in that hot wok for a couple of minutes, or if you're feeling fancy, you could always give it a bit of a toss, you know. A great way to stir it all around. Try not to drop it all onto the table. And that's a great way to stir without using your wooden spoon. We're starting to get that searing color on the outside of our vegan meat. So now we're gonna add our wonderful flavors. Soy sauce, lemon, squeeze it through my hand to catch those pips, maple syrup, a touch of brown sugar, hoisin sauce. Love this stuff. And finally, some veg stock. Pour that all in and then really toss that around. Get that heat up to absolutely maximum, and you want to bubble away some of that liquid so we get a lovely syrupy glaze all around that vegan beef. Quick taste test. Oh, wow, wonderful. Hoisin sauce, yes. Lemon, yes. Saltiness, sweetness, so much good stuff in there. That sauce has thickened. We're nearly there. I'm just gonna add our broccoli to make sure that has got some nice crunch, but is also cooked. And give that about 2 minutes in this hot pan before we serve up on a bed of rice. And there you have it, our beef and broccoli stir fry. Sizzling hot, sweet, sour, and salty, Chinese American style dish. Absolutely delicious, and even better when served over boiled rice with fresh red chilies, sesame seeds, and spring onions. Doesn't that look good? Now, let's see how it tastes. That is a super tasty dish for something that took basically all of 10 minutes to cook. The broccoli is still crisp, crunchy, it's not overcooked, which is really, really important. You don't want to give it more than about 2 minutes. That sauce has thickened, it's gone syrupy, and it's coating that broccoli and that beef perfectly. The plant-based beef is good. I would also probably say you could try this with mushrooms or vegan sausages, and that would be just as good. The main hero here is that delicious sauce. Served up on this bed of rice, that makes for a delicious weeknight meal. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you like the look of this dish. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you're not a subscriber of Bosh already, then what are you doing? Please hit that subscribe button. We make vegan videos like this almost every single day. We're gonna see you on the next video. Peace.